Now I'm going to show you how to get your credential for LinkedIn. To get the LinkedIn credentials for n8n, we'll first scroll down and turn off organization support and legacy. Then we'll go to our LinkedIn profile. And as you can see here, we have my LinkedIn profile and my page. You must have a LinkedIn page in order this to work to get the LinkedIn credentials, or you can create a new one from For Business and create a company page. After you made sure that you have a LinkedIn page, go search for LinkedIn developer and go to the first link in LinkedIn developer solutions. Hit on create app and name your app whatever you want. And then go back to your LinkedIn page, go inside it, and view as member. Then we are going to copy the link to our LinkedIn page, paste it here, and you should see your page profile picture. Then scroll down, and you can upload a logo, but you don't have to now. Hit on I have read and I agree to these terms. Hit on create app. Once the app is created, you are going to request access for some available products. Hit on request access. And then another product, hit on I have read and request access. And go to settings. Then hit on verify. Hit on generate URL. Copy it and go open it in a new browser. Make sure you are logged in with your LinkedIn profile. Then hit on verify. You can refresh the page. Now it's verified. Go to auth. You can see now there is the client ID and the client secret. But first we are going to get our redirect URL. Copy it and paste it. Hit on update. Then we are going to copy the client ID and go back and paste it in the client ID. Then copy the client secret and paste it. And then hit on connect my account. Now we are going to allow, and that's how to get your LinkedIn credentials for n8n.